Today we're going to bring the hospital bed, and this bed comes with a lot of features that we're going to talk a little bit about them. Now, when you get it out of the box, it's about 300 pounds. They bring in a crate, special cover, everything's well secure, everything's well labeled, and easy to set up. Now, I am missing something right here, but I'm going to show you right now as soon as I finish to explain the whole thing. First of all, let's talk about the actual headrest and the leg rest, right? On the leg part, there's going to be a little area where you can put the chart, the name of the person or the patient. These are removable by picking them up. Now, you have the actual rails here on the sides, all right? Left and right. One's holding the remote, the other one isn't. We're going to go over a little bit more details. Now, the cushion itself is included too. There's memory foam in the cushion, and there's zipper because patients do sweat, people sweat. It goes there. It could be replaced. This could be washed too. Now, this system came set up already. All you got to do is set up the actual legs, the rails, and the footer and the header. All right, that's pretty much what you got to do. We are missing the actual pole that goes in here, and this is for the IV that you could set up for the IV or anything that you want to set up. Now, the reason we got it was that VEVOR was kind enough to send this out for us to review, but at the same time, it gives me a pleasure to give this away to somebody that actually needs it. We're going to donate this to somebody in need of something like this because they're having issues getting up. This is a perfect bed for them. Now, we're going to go over some features. First of all, the wheels are really strong, heavy duty for over 300 pounds. Now, each one has a lock, all right? And now you see that off in the bottom. You just push this one. Well, I have to push it here, and it goes back up, all right? So you got to put some pressure, not to do it with your actual hands, fingers, all right? So push it down to lock it in place, and then to unlock it, you push it up, all right? These are sturdy, like I said, for over 300 pounds. They have 2 screws on each end for safety purposes, and they rotate 360. Heavy duty wheels that they installed here, and they give you 4, and every single one rotates freely, and they all have locks. One lock will stop the whole unit from moving. The rail system has a little handle here. I'm going to show you how to bring it down and how to unlock it too. Both rails are identical, parallel to each other. They do the same actions, all right? Now, you could set them up only one way because you cannot pull it to the back. It has to be faced where the headrest is going to be at, all right? So pushing it down, just keep your hands away from it and the patient too. If you guys can see it locks in place. It's away from anybody could just, let me lock the wheels in. Locking the wheels in, at least 2 ends. Now, once you set yourself up in here, you could get out. Simple, easy to get out. And now me, I'm heavy. I'm about 250. And this thing's really, really light for me. So now on top of it, you could get your own cushions if you want, your own sheets. It doesn't have to be this. Now, as humans, we need to be moved around a lot. So this is very comfortable because it has memory foam. Let's bring this up, all right? So bringing it up, push the button until you hear a little lock in place. Make sure you keep your hands away from it. It locks in place. Both sides, just be careful. Remove the remote control before you even close this out, right? Bring it back up. Push the button. Locks in place. Let's bring the remote control so you guys can see more details on the remote. All right, if you guys can see, the remote has a couple of actions, all right? Headrest, legs, center, and then flat, all right? So you could move every single one. We're gonna go ahead and do number 1 first so you can see me doing the actual first action. All right, for the first action, we're gonna hit the headrest first. Headrest first, all the way up. If you guys can notice. Now, I'm about 250, all right? And this thing is picking me up real simple with the first button I'm pushing on the top. And that's almost a 45-degree, actually even higher, almost 60-degree angle, which is great, And that's number one, all right? Now we're gonna bring it a little bit lower so we can get comfortable, because I'm gonna show you the actual legs too. So we're gonna bring it a little bit lower on the same button, just the opposite way, all right? Now that's good enough. Now we're gonna pick up the legs, all right? Number two, we're gonna go legs. And it's picking up the legs. It's doing like a zero gravity bed, all right, where it kind of cradles you in, and that's the center one. I'm not gonna go all the way up on this one. I'm just gonna demo you that it's very comfortable. So if the patient's gonna be watching TV or talking to an individual, or the doctor needs to take some blood samples or vitals, this is a perfect way to actually set yourself up. Now we're gonna do the third one, all right, which is we're gonna push it a little back, and the third one actually gets more crowded in there, so you can adjust it. Now the last one, the last button, it brings the bed lower. It lowers down the bed. We're gonna bring it higher, right? So if the patient needs to be in the eye level of the doctor, this thing brings it up. It's jacking the entire bed higher to an eye level. And we're gonna go to the highest it can, but because it's so high, that's what the rail system's there for, so the patient won't fall off, all right? That's a really good thing to have, make sure you have the rail on. So we are extremely high on this bed. I'm about probably like over 3 feet tall on it, and this thing keeps going. I'm not even sure when it's gonna stop, but it's completely going all the way up. Now, I'm not gonna take it all the way up. I could trust this system. I just don't wanna be able to come out of the camera, right? But this is the highest, I could even go higher. I'm not even going to try to go higher. Now we're gonna bring the bed lower to the actual level, all right? And this I did not expect, because I am, like I said, 250 pounds. This thing's really strong. Now the speeds, you can't change the speeds. The speeds, it is what it is on the speeds, but because it's hydraulics, the motors are working, it takes time to actually pick up the weight too. So if you have a smaller patient than then you will not have any issues whatsoever. So right now we're bringing it down to the lowest, and that's pretty much it. All right, so because they give you a remote control, that if you have the patient that cannot do this for himself, it has a phone cord. It's stretchable to maybe a couple feet away from the actual bed itself, so it's going to give him or her a range for them to actually set this up. Now when you're bringing the whole bed down, make sure you're not nearby or anything. So we're bringing everything down, the headrest too. We're going to bring everything down. And there's no push of a button for everything to come down at the same time. You're going to have to do section by section. So the headrest is going down first. So we're down to the bottom. Now we're going to do the rest of it. And that's it. It's going to tell you when everything locks in, when it doesn't move no more and completely the motor stopped working. You cannot go. The functions are very simple to use. And this has a little hanging area that I love, that you could just put it there. Now, setting this back up, very simple. You have this telescopic pole that actually adjusts either on the left or on the right of the patient. Either way, if you can't reach out, you can actually move this, and it's adjustable. Now they do have a little tightener here, a lock-in, so you can stretch this out. And this is for the IV blood transfer and all that stuff that needs to go in here, patient charts and stuff. So let's put it on one direction, and that's it. So it comes along with the bed itself, the headrest, adjustable. The motors are built in the system. All you got to do is set up the wheels, the rails, and the headrest and the leg rest, and actually the pole as an option. Now the entire thing is going to require a plug. It's going to require at least some power to actually connect the actual system. Other than washing the actual bed itself, you could wash the cover, you could replace the foam, and of course this fits pretty much anywhere. It's over 6 feet tall, and you're going to require 2 people to lift. But to move it around, it's adjustable. It has 4 locks, rotating wheels for 360 and all around. So if you guys have a need of something like this for your home, for your parents, for yourself, or maybe somebody that's having issues getting out of the bed. It could be for anybody pretty much. Everything that's included with it, it was meant for safety. Easy out, easy in. I like the lift as hydraulics. It picked me all the way up. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. And I want to thank VEVOR for sending this out.